Good morning, folks. It's Saturday, the 22nd of February 2020. The rain is pelting against the front window here. I don't want to go out. You just get soaked in 2 minutes. The temperature's about 6 and it's about 9:30 in the morning. And we've just had constant rain. It just seems to be never ending. And the last 2 or 3 days it's just been torrential. And the fields are saturated. And it's unpleasant and it's miserable. And we've had the tail end of Hurricane Kiera and the tail end of Hurricane Dennis with their high winds, and we've still got windy conditions. It just seems to be never ending. I don't know. It's just rubbish. Hope the weather's a bit better where you are.